Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer 3x divided by x. So we have number 3. Next, we need to concentrate on this one. In this situation, we need to use about sTheorem. So we know that the range of sine x, that is from negative number 1 to positive number 1. Next, we divide by x for the both sides. Next, we need to put the limit for the both sides. We know that when x approaches to positive infinity, number 1 divided by positive infinity, you got number 0. Similar for the second one. And that means this one equals to number 0. So that means this one in here, we will have about number 2 multiplied by number 0, and we have number 3. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.